Have you ever looked at a simple waste container and thought there must be something beautiful I can make from this? First, let's prepare our materials. For this project, you'll need a small cylindrical container or an empty cardboard tube for the base. You'll also need some thick cotton cord, jute rope or any strong thread that you can use for weaving. For the decoration, I'm using golden glitter or golden decorative material. You'll also need a scissors, a ruler, a pencil and a strong craft glue or hard glue gun. And the most important thing is bamboo sticks. First, cut all the bamboo sticks to the same length. Once you have enough sticks, attach them around the container using a hot glue gun. Make sure the sticks are placed close to each other and are evenly aligned. Continue gluing the sticks all the way around the container until the entire surface is covered. Be careful while using the hot glue gun, as the glue and the metal tip can get very hot and may cause burns. If you are not comfortable using it, please take somebody's help. After attaching all the bamboo sticks, make sure each stick is in the correct position and properly aligned. Check the entire container once to make sure there are no loose or uneven sticks. Once everything looks good, leave it aside and let the glue dry completely for some time. Once the glue has dried completely, gently test the bamboo sticks to make sure they are firmly attached and secure. If everything is strong and in place, we can start the weaving process. Take the thread and apply a small amount of glue to one end. Attach the thread firmly to the bottom side of the container and let the glue set for a few seconds. Now we are ready to start weaving the thread through the bamboo sticks. Now let's start the weaving process. Take the thread that we attached at the bottom and bring it around the first bamboo stick. Then pass the thread over the first stick under the next stick. Continue this pattern around the entire container, over one stick under the next, and repeat. As you complete each round, gently push the thread down so that the rows stay close together. A few important tips while weaving. Keep the thread tight but don't pull it too hard. If you pull too tightly, the bamboo sticks may bend or move out of position. Make sure the thread stays at the same level as you go around. This will help you get neat and even rows. After completing every few rounds, check the bamboo sticks and gently straighten any that have moved. If you notice a gap, simply adjust the thread before continuing. Take your time and keep repeating the over and under pattern until you reach the top. The more evenly you weave, the cleaner and more beautiful the final basket will look. Now wrap the glitter tape neatly around the bottom of the bamboo sticks, keeping it straight and even. Press it firmly so it sticks well and gives the basket a beautiful finishing touch. You will slowly see the plain container transform into a beautiful woven basket. Step 3. Keep the shape neat. As you continue weaving, regularly check the top and bottom edges. Make sure the container isn't becoming wider or narrower on one side. If one selection looks loose, gently adjust the cord before adding the next row. You don't need to make it absolutely perfect. In fact, small handmade imperfections are that give this project its beautiful DIY character. Continue weaving until you reach the top of the container. Once you reach the desired height, secure the final strand with strong glue. Cut off the excess cord and hide the end neatly between the woven layers. Main body is complete. And look at the transformation already. Finally, let's add some beautiful beads to the top of each bamboo stick. Apply a small amount of glue to the tip of each stick. Carefully place one bead on each stick and press it gently into place. I am using golden orange beads here to give it a warm and elegant look. You can choose any color or style of beads you like to match your decor. And here is our beautiful handmade bamboo basket, made completely from scratch. You can use it as a brush holder, pen stand, makeup organizer, or to store your craft supplies. The beads and glitter tape add a beautiful and aesthetic finishing touch. I hope you enjoyed making this DIY with me. If you loved this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIYs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.